Hi guys, today I have an unboxing from Fab Fit Fun, and this is their Pinterest box. So this is a special edition box that you can buy if you want to. They did let us know what's inside, and it's the first time they've kind of done a themed box like that. So I'm very excited. It comes with the magazine still, which goes over all the products. Tells you how much everything's worth. I think there was a couple different things maybe to customize in here. I can't remember. Some recipes, all sorts of goodies in there. So let's take a look at what's inside. I was excited for a few things. First of all, I love Seaweed Snacks, and that was in this box. These things are awesome if you haven't tried them before. This one's just a sea salt, but they do have different flavored ones, and they're crunchy. It's kind of like eating air, but it's good, if that makes sense. So I definitely recommend that. You can get those, a different brand at least, from Target. So the first thing we have is an acid wash. So this is an ACV apple cider vinegar cleansing rinse. I got one of these from a different brand in one of my FabFitFun boxes a couple boxes back, and it was fabulous. It was really good for my hair, so I'm excited to try this. I actually like the smell of vinegar too, so I don't even mind it in my hair. I know that will probably be good. This says charades. Okay, I do remember seeing this. So these are little sticks, and it has different shows and all sorts of things on it, movies. So it's a fun little game to play with your friends or family. Dip in, pick a stick, and have a laugh. Act out charades for your friends and family to guess. Recommended ages 7 and up. I think that'll be fun. There's even like some current like kids movies in there, like Boss Baby, so my son might be able to play that with us. Also excited for this. This is Tarte Sweatproof Mascara. Love Tarte's products. So we have a full-size mascara. Very cool. Now this says it's a coconut multitasking kit. Try not to get the glare on it. There is, let's see, we have Body Glow, Coconut Melt. Let's see if it says on the back. Yeah, coconut oil, Body Glow, Coconut Melt, and Coconut Balm. It says you can use it to moisturize, put on your lips, cover up cuticles, tame frizzy flyaways, split ends, you name it. So there's like a variety pack of that in there, which is really nice. Next we have Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color, and it's in shade Nude. So that's what that looks like. Pretty nice color. And I am excited for this Pure One item. It looked pretty online when they showed it. The colors are beautiful together. Gold. It's kind of like an olive green. Very nice vase. Very excited for that. And there's a couple more things. This I think was a luggage and passport holder. So we have passport holder and the luggage tag with a little strap to attach it. I don't know, do people use passport holders? I don't for mine, but I guess if you wanted to make it look cute. And this is probably the last thing in there. Below the belt. It's a really pretty clutch. The last clutch that we got was pretty wild and colorful, so I appreciate that this one is more neutral. There's a zipper pouch on the inside, magnetic clasp, very pretty. So that is what came in the FabFitFun Pinterest box. I'll link below and leave a promo code and all that good stuff. I'm not sure if these are still available or if they've sold out yet. I ordered mine probably a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and it just came today. So I'll leave all the information below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.